Okay, 11.2, area of trapezoids, rhombuses, and kites. Okay, so I have a trapezoid here.
Yeah.
You notice some things. This is B1, B2. That's base 1, base 2.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay.
Does not matter which one is base 1 and base 2. This is the height. Again, just like before, could we have a height outside? Yeah, but it really wouldn't be a trapezoid then. But anyway, it is not an isosceles trapezoid. Some of those we have, and those have exactly the same, like this length is the same as this length and all that. But this is just any old trapezoid. It is area equals 1/2. Where do you think maybe the 1/2 comes from? That the side can make a triangle, right? The height, and then it's base 1 plus base 2. Does it matter which one's base 1 and base 2 then?
No.
Nope, because it's addition. So a trapezoid, the bases are parallel. That's important to know, okay? Bases are parallel. These are not bases, because are they parallel? No. The height still makes a right angle with one of the bases. Okay, we have a kite. We've learned some things about the kites. We know that the long diagonal bisects the small one, right?
Yep.
So this is congruent to that. They meet at a what? Right angle? Yes? Now, could I find the area of that triangle and that triangle and that triangle and that triangle and add them all together?
Yeah.
I could, but there is a formula that we'll work on. Not guaranteeing that you won't remember it after this test, but there is a formula. It is area equals 1/2. Again, why is it 1/2? Because I have what? Triangles. And it is diagonal times diagonal. D stands for what?
Diagonal.
Diagonal. And that are these things, correct? Now, there will be no notes on this test, so it's important for you to be writing these equations when you're doing them, so you remember them, okay? So the next thing is we have a rhombus, and I want you to look at the rhombus and the kite. Are they similar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Except a rhombus, we know they meet at what? Right angles.
Mm-hmm.
We know that all sides are congruent.
Can you move the paper down?
I'm trying to keep both of them on there. Okay, I know they're all congruent, but this appears to be a right angle over here, but does a rhombus have to have a right angle there? No. So it could be a square, couldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but squares can be rhombuses. Actually, squares are rhombi, but not all rhombuses is square, same thing. Okay, so guess what the area is, anybody? It's exactly the same as the what?
Other one.
Of the kite. So now you just identify what shape you have and you fill in the formula. That is it. Everyone got their formulas down? Okay, what shape do I have? Trapezoid. So trapezoid is 1, yep, A equals, go ahead. What's H? Height times base 1 plus base 2. So, what's the height?
5.8.
5.8. What's base 1?
6.
What's base 2?
3.6.
Well, let's see. I think we can take half of 5.8, right? Half of 5 is 2. Carry a 1, right? And half of 0.18 is 0.9. And 6 plus 3.6 is 9.6, which you can all do that multiplication, but I'm just going to tell you it's 27.84. And what's my label?
Unit or meter squared.
Meter squared. If there is a measurement, you have to give it. Okay, what's my next shape? A rhombus. Because we are not told that these are right angles, are they? But we know all the side lengths are equal, so it's a rhombus. So area equals what? 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Does it matter 1 and 2?
Nope.
So 1/2, what times what? 9 times 12. Are we taking half of 9? Or taking half of what? 12. So 6 times 9 is?
54.
Are we going too fast? Okay, 54 meters squared. Are these going to be hard? No. Okay, what shape do I have? Trapezoid? So area equals
1/2.
Inch.
height times
B1 plus B2.
base 1 plus base 2. So do it. Get it done, go to the next one. Did you get 28 units squared? What's wrong, Jenna?
Nothing.
What did you get?
That answer?
Sure.
No.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
What's my next shape? A kite. How do I know it's a kite?
Shaped like a kite.
Because it's a picture of a kite. Okay, so area equals what?
1/2 height.
Nope. 1/2
1/2.
diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So 1/2 14 times 6. I think we get what? 42 units squared. So the thing that's going to trip us up is if we struggle with our multiplication, right? Okay. Do this one all on your own.
Rhombus.
We get 600 millimeters squared.
Yeah.
Okay. What's my next one?
Kite.
A kite. So area equals 1/2
Times diagonal 1 times diagonal.
diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So we have 1/2. What's one of the diagonals?
6.
Nope.
12.
Nope.
13.
I have 6 here and 12 here, so the whole diagonal is what?
18.
18. Plus, but I need this diagonal, yeah?
Why
Right
you
here?
doing plus?
Not plus, times. Sorry. But don't I need this diagonal?
Yeah.
Yeah, do I have it?
No.
Nope. Well, but I do know that this is a right triangle, don't I? And I do know this is 12 and the hypotenuse is 13, so can I find the leg? Using the Pythagorean theorem again, right? So I'm finding that, so I'm going to subtract over the 12 squared. So the square root of 13 squared, which is 169, minus 12 squared,
44.
which is the square root of 25, which is 5. So if this piece is 5, what is this piece? 5. So what is the diagonal?
10.
10. Because remember that small diagonal is bisected, right? So we want half of 18, don't we?
Yep.
Yeah.
So area equals 90 units squared.
Yep.
And that's it.